Hi Taurus, welcome back. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. So, these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Taurus, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have, so you can watch that reading. And Taurus, if you watch this reading till the end, you will get the clarity you need, guys, because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity. So I request you to watch this reading. And Taurus, let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So we have Seven of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So, Taurus, you have a lot of dreams and goals, plans for your life, your future. You're working towards those dreams and plans. And today you are trying to change yourself, adapt in your situation in this relationship. You are trying to be better. You are uh, thinking of a positive connection with this person. So you have huge plans for your life with them. You love them deeply and you wish good things for this love. And today you are trying to change yourself, or this person is trying to change for you. So some kind of a change, or some kind of what to say, you're adapting, being very flexible and willing to do things for this person, making them realize your true love, your true intentions. But whatever you do, maybe there may be certain things, troubles in this love, some misunderstanding may be there, something that is not going to make you very happy. So you are going out of the way trying to solve things, but this person may have something against you. So you may feel that something is not right or not working, and relationship is always a compromise, guys. So you must compromise, and just like you, even this person must be ready to compromise. Only then circumstances will change. So we will see what is the card for your, it's Eight of Cups in reverse. So this is a very positive card and a very beautiful card. So with this card, I feel that something big is coming for you. It may be a message from your person, or a very important news, something that is going to make you very happy. And maybe Taurus, if you are in separation today, you will get a news or a message from this person after a long time. And if you are together, this card may mean something good, beautiful coming, something that is going to take you towards marriage or commitment, a beautiful circumstance unfolding. And if you are single, Taurus, I feel that something unexpected, a happy turn of events, maybe you will be pleasantly surprised today. Something beautiful unfolding in your life very soon. So you need to be prepared to welcome some beautiful changes today, Taurus. Some pleasant surprise waiting to unfold in your life today. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. Page of Cups. Again, in your work, some opportunity is reaching you. It may be a new beginning in your career, a new path you have taken up, something that is going to take you towards your dreams and goals, and it is going to be it is going to push you towards your dreams and your goals. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card Taurus that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, truth be told. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So in your circumstances, in your relationship, this is the time to be your true self, whatever truth you have, true to your thoughts, emotions, your intentions, and clarity of communication. So, people will tell you who they are quickly if you are willing to listen to what they say and pay attention to how they are behaving with you. And if you talk to them freely, have that open conversation, you will see the truth. And it is time to see what is true for you and what you share with each other. And tell this person or tell someone who is close to you what you are, what you truly want. So, this is the time for that. And no one can do that for you because no one will know what is true in your heart. You must come out with that truth. So, your truth is based on the experiences you have and your personality. So, when you talk to this person about what you truly feel and what are your intentions, when that communication happens in a very honest way, you will find a higher truth that will help you to be more attuned to yourself. That will make you see things more clearly with more clarity. So, this is the time for you should not hold yourself back. Speak your truth and listen. That is going to work in a beautiful way in your relationship. So, the same way in your work, what are your truthful desires? What do you want to be? What is true for you? You must go for that. So, what are your desires for a prosperous life? You must think of it and plan for it. So, if you want to be a painter, are you making the efforts to achieve that goal? Or if you want to be a singer, are you being true to your calling you have? Whatever you wish for. So, this is the time for you to do that, being true to your thoughts, emotions, your goals. That is going to help you find your happiness and abundance. So, that is the energy here. A very beautiful card for you guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, I will keep this aside. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So, with this card in your circumstances today, so maybe you are too much obsessed with something or you are thinking of something, worrying about something, but this may be the time for you to detach a little from whatever situation you are asking about. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to avoid someone, keeping someone at an arm's distance. But it is not a bad thing. But if you want your life to unfold as it is, whatever needs to be done, you must not have that fear or anxiety. You must never hold yourself back from showing the world the real you. And it is important for you to let life flow as it should and manifest things as it should. So instead of holding back or avoiding something, that is not going to help you in any way today, guys. And you need to believe in yourself, because you are a very unique person, and your unique characteristics are what makes you special. So in this relationship, are you being too aloof or detached? So you must be aware of your feelings and be prepared to move on with your life and think with your heart and not with your head. Sometimes, when we think too much, we just hold ourselves back. But this may be the time for you to think with your heart, and there is someone in need of you who needs you desperately, and you must go for their help, or you must at least talk to this person. You are trying to avoid them, and in your circumstances you are going to see something unexpected, an unexpected turn of events waiting to unfold. But you must stay strong, focused, have that belief and trust in yourself, and believe that everything is happening for the highest good. So, whatever happening next may be quite unexpected, but you will come out of the situation um, with more clarity if you can hold on, wait. So, that is the energy here with this card for you. So, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.